Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We've got this fantastic floor lamp. It's got complete remote control and lights from the top and bottom. So this is way more advanced than some of the floor lamps that I've been able to show you in the past. The remote control is sturdy and steady, comes with the batteries, and there's so many different options. You can adjust the brightness, you can change the color of the light. You can see the color kind of changing below, and so many things that you can control with your remote. See, now I went kind of a warming color up top, warming color below, and it really does make a difference. Now it's kind of a cooling color. Changes the look of your room, changes the look of your face, etc., etc. What a great product. Let's go ahead and show it up close so you can learn everything about it. All right, folks, now let's take a look at the lamp up close. Now, really a fantastic product. You can see that there are plenty of LEDs on top. Let the camera focus a little bit. And then underneath as well, and that's what separates this one from a lot of products. So you've got the remote control here, and you can adjust underneath. You can see we're making it much dimmer underneath or much brighter underneath. We can adjust the top and make this dimmer as well. So that's a fun thing that you can control both the top and bottom. You can change like the type of color, whether it's a warm or a cooling look. And you can do that on both the top and the bottom. And it's got power on and power off for each individual. So you just want the bottom, boom. You just want the top, boom. So really fantastic. I haven't seen too many lights quite like this. Now, compared to your older and more traditional lights, I think it's a nice stylish look. You put it next to kind of an old brass lamp, and the brass lamp isn't going to give the same amount of light. It's going to use an incandescent bulb, which isn't energy efficient. These LEDs are wildly energy efficient. If I just want a little warm light at the top of the room, I can switch to like that. If I want some cooling light at the bottom of the room, I can scroll through and get a nice cooler light as well. Very sturdy. This thing is heavy. It's not going to tip over, and it's absolutely fantastic. So if you're looking for a great light, this one is going to do the trick for you. All right, folks, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products we own, we love, and we know you're going to love. Well, guess what? We own it. We love it. We know you're going to love it. Let's go ahead and kick this, make it a little brighter up top. And you can see just from the light itself, I'm going to bring it down. Gets a little darker. Bring it up, and it gets a little brighter. So many fun options. And also, you can tilt it. So you can tilt it to hit the area you want. And that's great for the bottom if you really want to hit a subject, maybe doing a little reading, turn on the bottom, and you can lighten up the area below it. So many different things you can do with this. All right, folks, tilts, moves, everything you want, and it's a great little light. Good looking, fantastic. Pick yours up, you won't be disappointed. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products we own, we love, we know you're going to love. And again, this thing is sturdy as can be. So go ahead and pick it up. All right, thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.